So anyway, the cash flow board game, just like Slack, was a failure. So I had to write Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which is a true story about my rich dad and my poor dad. And suddenly I went on the Oprah show and suddenly I became famous. So anyway, that's an entrepreneur's story.
We all want to attain financial freedom, but that's not easy, especially if you're not born into money. So learning how to invest is the best way to achieve and build wealth. So, what are the steps you can take? Watch as we show you the steps to overcome these humble beginnings and live off your investments. Number 1, pick your course. If you want to set yourself up for long-term success, you should take control of your life and intentionally make choices regarding your work, investments, and spending habits. Finding a career that aligns with your interests and skills can significantly impact your financial success. Pursuing a subject that truly captivates you increases your chances of thriving and reaching the top of your field.
That's a good combination of the things that you're inherently good at, but you also like doing. And
reading is a super fast shortcut to figure out where are you. You're both good at it, you like doing it, and it will actually have positive impact.
Well, you got to learn about things somehow.
Remember that a job is not just about the paycheck, it's also about the opportunities it brings. By actively seeking career advancement, you position yourself to earn salary raises, promotions, and other financial benefits. Building wealth also involves making wise investment decisions that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Furthermore, understanding different investment options and selecting the ones that suit you best is a crucial step in determining your path. Additionally, selecting your route requires adopting a growth mindset. You should also be open to change, adapt to new circumstances, and seize opportunities for personal and professional growth. Surround yourself with a supportive network of like-minded individuals who share similar goals and can provide the guidance you need on your financial journey. Number 2, enhance your market value. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the popular Rich Dad, Poor Dad book series, mentioned that the investment process starts with investing in yourself. Growing your wealth isn't all about chasing the tailwind of the newest sought-after market opportunity. First, before you decide on what asset you want to invest in, you have to take the time to invest in yourself and gain more knowledge on the financial world, investing, and reliable asset classes. Expanding your expertise not only increases your value in the job market, but also opens the door to other lucrative opportunities. If you once thought that investing in yourself is solely about getting a financial education, then here is a broader perspective on it. Getting a financial education is crucial for financial literacy, but developing and marketing yourself is the key to success in this fast-growing era.
My workload went up from about, 70 to 80 hours a week to probably 120. Yeah. I go to sleep, I wake up, I work, go to sleep, wake up, work, do that 7 days a week. I'll have to do that for a while, no choice. But I think once Twitter is set on the right path, I think it is a much easier thing to manage than SpaceX or Tesla.
Another way you can invest in yourself is to attend seminars and events that can show you how to maximize your skills and make more money for yourself. Growing wealth isn't a day trip, it's more like a marathon. Create a schedule and stay focused on your goal of wealth creation and watch it blossom over time. Number 3, automate your savings. I am sure you have heard of this common saying that saving money cannot make you rich. Well, I partly disagree with that statement because you need to have money to invest money. If you are trying to build wealth gradually while you work your job, you can channel some specific amount of your salary into a savings account where it will accumulate. That money you have saved can serve as a means for you to start investing in building wealth. Now this takes discipline. It's not easy to save when you have a lot of bills to pay and things you would love to buy. But that's where you have to sketch a blueprint and stick to a budget to help give you an overview of your expenses. If you want to save efficiently, there are some sacrifices you should make, like avoiding going to places where you will have to spend a lot of money. In conclusion, you don't necessarily have to shell out a fortune of your earnings. Starting with 10% is a good start, and you can easily do this by automatically setting transfers from your checking to your savings. Number 4, start your own venture. I once believed that a paycheck alone was sufficient and that I didn't need to worry about venturing into entrepreneurship. But here's the thing, I had no idea what I was missing out on until I started my entrepreneurial journey. Being an entrepreneur is like being the captain of your boat, where you take control of your future. Unfortunately, many misconceptions exist about what it truly means to be an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur isn't just about starting a business for the sake of it. It's about being vigilant and identifying needs in the market, being ready to solve problems and, in turn, naturally earning income.
So it's one of the most important messages I have for entrepreneurs is that failure should inspire you to get smarter. And unfortunately, our school system says if you fail, you're stupid. That is not true. You know, we learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities to get smarter, be humble, and take a look at something.
To kickstart your entrepreneurial journey, develop a business plan that aligns with your interests and resonates with your target audience. Creating a business plan will also help you outline strategies for turning your idea into a profitable business. Furthermore, becoming an entrepreneur isn't an overnight transformation. It requires time, patience, and resilience. One of the best ways to set yourself up for success is by surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals and other experienced entrepreneurs. They can provide invaluable insights, support, and guidance as you navigate the challenges of building a thriving business. So don't limit yourself to being a salary earner if you aspire to grow your wealth. Take the plunge into entrepreneurship, steer your ship, and enjoy the rewards of building a successful business. Number 5. Track your expenses. This approach is great for growing your wealth because it lets you save money and put more funds into investments or other ways to build wealth. When you start cutting back on expenses, you'll have extra income to save up and pay off debts faster. It's also a smart move to reduce or pay off high-interest debts like credit card balances or personal loans because you'll save money on interest payments and get rid of those debts sooner. Another benefit is that you can create an emergency fund, which comes in handy when unexpected situations arise. Plus, you can take advantage of potential growth opportunities and even generate passive income. Having more capital at your disposal allows you to be more disciplined and aware of your financial situation by actively managing and reducing your costs. It can also open up the possibility of starting to invest. In addition, by consciously cutting costs, you can avoid unnecessary lifestyle inflation and allocate more of your income towards saving and investing. Number 6. Minimize debt. If you are ready to start investing and grow your wealth, the first step is to reduce your debt. I get it, living without any debt can seem almost impossible. But the truth is, it can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. When you have debts to pay off and multiple credit card balances looming like a dark cloud, it can be a real burden. And once you finally manage to pay them off, it's hard to consider saving or investing because you still have to cover your basic needs. Cutting down on your debt can open up some exciting opportunities for you. The first thing you should do is make a list of all the debts you owe and start tackling them one by one.
Create a spreadsheet with all of your open lines of credit. Be sure to include outstanding balances, minimum payments, APR percentages, and payment due dates.
It's a good idea to start with high-interest debts, like those pesky credit card balances I mentioned earlier. By paying them off quickly, you'll save money on interest payments, which means you'll have more funds to put into your investments. Reducing your debt is a key strategy for growing wealth and creating a future where you can live off your investments. By prioritizing debt repayment and developing good spending habits, you'll be on your way to a more secure and sustainable financial future. Number 7. Capitalize on technology. Imagine a world where technology is the key to unlocking wealth and success. It's a world where you can ride the wave of technological advancements to gain a competitive edge and make a substantial income. Exciting, right? Thanks to the power of technology, starting your own business and creating unique products, services, and innovative business strategies has never been easier. You can shake up entire industries or even create entirely new ones. Technology not only makes things easier, it also makes them more profitable. By embracing technological advancements, you can streamline processes, reduce costs, and increase output. This means more money in your pocket and more opportunities for wealth creation. Who doesn't want that? They have revolutionized the way businesses operate. With just a few clicks, you can access global markets, reach customers far and wide, and boost your sales. Plus, you can say goodbye to the traditional barriers of production, distribution, and customer service costs. And here is the secret. Technology isn't just for big corporations or tech-savvy experts. It's for everyone. You can be an entrepreneur, an innovator, or an employee looking to enhance your skills. The possibilities are endless. So, it's time to seize the opportunities, stay updated with the latest advancements, and watch your wealth skyrocket. Number 8. Review your portfolio. Let's say you have all your hard-earned money invested in a single asset. Suddenly, that asset takes a nosedive, and before you know it, poof, your money evaporates into thin air. Scary, right? But fear not, my friend, because I have the key to mitigating this risk and unlocking greater returns. Creating a diversified portfolio is another way you can grow your wealth. It's like building a team of investments with unique strengths.
Diversification would be all these simple things. Diversification would be number 2. Staying the course would be right up there. Let's call that number 3. Once you get your path set, get your allocation right, make sure it's very diversified in both stocks and bonds. You want to just pay no attention to what's going on around you.
But here's the thing. Creating a diversified portfolio is just the first step. You should also constantly evaluate the performance, risk, and growth potential of each asset class. Stay ahead of keeping your finger on the market's pulse. Be the first to know the latest trends, identify any underperforming assets, and take charge by replacing or adjusting them to align with your interests. Now, let's talk about risk. Yes, investments come with risks, but don't worry. It's all about finding the perfect balance between your burning desire to grow wealth and your ability to handle potential losses. By spreading your resources across various assets, such as real estate properties, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, you can shield yourself from the potential devastation of a single asset downfall. In conclusion, seek the wisdom of professionals who can guide you with the knowledge to achieve your financial dreams. Number 9. Commit to your investment. Investment planning is one thing, but sticking to the plan is a whole different ballgame. We often think investing will make us rich overnight, but that's not true. Successful investing requires patience and discipline, even when the market isn't favorable. So here's what you need to do. First, set up a clear investment plan and define your goals. Give yourself enough time to achieve them. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. No matter how volatile the market gets, make regular and systematic investments. By following a dollar-cost averaging strategy, you can take advantage of market downturns and benefit from the power of compounding over the long term. Lastly, keep in mind that growing your money takes time. When investing, it's crucial to keep your emotions in check. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Stay disciplined and focused on your long-term investment goals. That's where the real payoff lies. Number 10. Seek professional advice. Picture this. You have dreams and aspirations for your financial future. But how do you transform those dreams into reality? That's where professional help comes in. It's like having your team of financial superheroes. Financial experts possess a treasure trove of investment strategies, tax preparation, and risk management knowledge. They are like seasoned navigators in the vast sea of finance, equipped with all the maps and compasses you need. They will help you identify your goals and work with you to create a personalized plan tailored specifically to accomplish those goals. It's like having a secret formula just for you. One specialty of these professionals is their ability to help you diversify your investments. They know the secret recipe to spread your money across different ventures, reducing the impact of any potential losses while maximizing your chances for growth. But that's not all. These financial experts will be your faithful sidekicks, keeping you on track with your monetary goals. They'll provide objective insights and guidance, protecting against impulsive choices hindering your wealth-building journey. Plus, they'll monitor your investment portfolio regularly, evaluate its performance, and adjust it as needed. You can be confident that your investments align with your financial objectives. Seeking professional assistance doesn't just provide you with a one-time fix. It equips you with the tools and knowledge to make informed decisions throughout your financial journey. They'll help you to adapt to changing circumstances, ensuring you stay on the right track toward your financial destination. The ultimate aim of growing wealth and investment is to attain a sustainable financial future. However, it might seem like an endless journey, but by taking the right approach and investing in the right assets, you can properly grow your wealth and secure your future in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, turn on the notifications and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next one.